So I'm here in Garrettson, South Dakota, about a half hour outside of Sioux Falls, to check out a restaurant where the chef, well, he's born in Northern California, but he's got strong Southern roots. He's got an eclectic menu, and he's got a unique style, and he's doing things his way. This is Oh So Good.
We have a shrimp hot plate.
The cheesy shrimp dish is a really good dish. The way he cooks it up and seasons it.
Have your taste buds ready. It's great stuff.
What's it gonna be, chef?
Our shrimp hot plate, putting seafood with cheese.
We are...
We're gonna start with our cornbread.
I can only imagine what the cornbread's gonna be. There we go.
So our regular cornbread mix, and then we go with sweet potato here, oil, eggs, house seasoning, a little bit of milk, roasted red peppers. And then, of course, we gotta add a little bit of heat.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Cayenne? Now we just know that he's full on crazy. Mix that up in the oven.
350, 20 minutes.
Next up,
A little bit of olive oil, butter, shrimp into the pan, Cajun seasoning. Go ahead and get our cornbread topped with butter and brown sugar.
you hear the music? Got his own little marching band going on in there right now.
Coming off the pan, Gouda, cheddar, pepper jack. Into the salad manner for about 2 minutes. We have our red chips, cornbread, and we do fried kale here. Take a little bit of the reds, parsley, just to give it a little bit of color. And there's your finished product, chef.
Let me start off with saying I'll eat this whole plate, but it does not make any sense. It's almost like I'm eating shrimp poutine. I got French fries, the sauce is the cheese, and then all of a sudden, in the middle of this crazy dream I'm having, I get cornbread. I almost could squeeze it and it would drip. Shrimp are cooked perfectly, potatoes are delicious, fried kale, and the cornbread is so bomb.
Your shrimp cheesy hot plate.
The first thing you get is the cheese. And then all of a sudden you start feeling a little tingle on your tongue. And then your whole mouth goes, wow.
You take a bite of cornbread, it's like a cake.
Fried chicken breast with a meatloaf.
There's nothing that holds a candle to this place.
It's just love and soul.
Don't come in here with any preconceived idea of what you're gonna get. I've only had 2 dishes and I've been surprised at both of them. I can only imagine what the rest of the menu is. Nicely done, chef.
Thank you.